Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS fonts. And right now we'll be discussing about the CSS font variant. The CSS font variant property specifies whether or not a text should be displayed in a small caps font. In a small caps font means all lowercase letters are converted to uppercase letters. However, the converted uppercase letters appears in a smaller font size than the original uppercase letters in the text. So I'm going to show you how this works right here. Back to our document, as you can see, we are having this P element is the one that is having this anwar CEO, and this is our document right here. As you can see, this is our P element. Now let's turn this to font variant something. Let's give it font variant property. Let's give it font variant. Let's select our P element and give it font variant. I will specify give it font variant and give it small caps. Let's save our document and see what we got. When we reload our document, keep looking at this P element. You can see the text now. It transformed. The smaller one turns to uppercase. The smaller one turns to uppercase. But if you notice very well, they are not as big as this capital letter one, and they are not as big as this one right here. So that's what I want you guys to understand there. As you can see, this normal, if you are trying to specify anything with capital letter, you know that you are going to use this text transform and you give it uppercase. When you give it uppercase, everything is going to turn to uppercase, but they are going to be the same. It's not going to be like this. Can you see now? All these things now, they are having the same font. But if you specify this one using using our font variant, and you specify small caps in it, definitely this anyone that is having small letter is going to turn to uppercase, but the font is not going to get bigger. As you can see, this one, let's say we remove this font variant there. Now let's remove it finally and see what our document is having. Can you see everything that is having this lowercase now? Can you see this one that is having lowercase? When we specify the font variant there, now you are going to see they are going to turn to uppercase, but they are not going to get bigger than that. Now let's reload. Can you see when we reload, they turn to uppercase? That's what I want to show you guys. Please practice this, because practice makes perfect. And what akorede is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Peace and love.